I didn't expect that Gyeonghongtong's road flour can make such delicious food. Today I will share the method with you. First, prepare 200 grams of brown sugar in a bowl, add warm water, then use chopsticks to stir it up and mix well. Then let's prepare a bowl of flour and add it, stir 1 gram of yeast evenly with a spoon, then pour in the brown sugar water prepared in advance and stir evenly with chopsticks to form a batter. Then we seal the plastic wrap and give it 20 minutes until the model is like this. Then stir it evenly with chopsticks to exhaust it and then pour in the jujubes prepared in advance and stir it evenly with chopsticks. Then we are ready to brush the bottom of the bowl with oil, then pour in the batter prepared in advance, put a few jujubes on top, and then put in white and black, then put the sesame seeds into the container and you are in good health. Do you have October jujube cake? You have to do it like me at home. Oh my god, it's really delicious. In the end, it's still the same sentence. Follow me and you can only find me when you cook. Thank you.